What is up, Wanderers? It's another day, another mod on our new 5th gen 4runner. Now, if you haven't seen our latest video, it was on the reveal of our 5th gen that's behind me here today, and we installed the Sherpa roof rack, some Molly panels, a Stinger High 10 Plus radio, and today we're going to be installing the Cali Raised Stealth bumper paired with our worn VR Evo 10S and Factor 55 flat link. Stay tuned. So if you don't know what Cali Raised Stealth bumper is on the 5th gen 4runner, we basically cut out this whole middle section here and install their bumper that is steel. Now, we wanted to keep this slim line since it is our daily driver. Didn't want to cut up, at least yet, the entire bumper and throw a full bumper on there. So we went with the Cali Raised Stealth bumper. I'll link it down in the description below. But we're gonna go ahead and open this bumper up. This will be a full install video for you guys. Stay tuned. All right, guys, here you have it. Cali Raised Stealth bumper and worn Evo VR 10S, the same one we have in the Tacoma. It's been tried and true for us, so we knew that we were going to go with this for the 4runner build, but we're not gonna bore you guys on installing this winch. I'll do a little time lapse for you, but we're gonna get our fair lead mounted, and then on these bumpers here, you've got 4 holes, which is where the winch is gonna mount, and we're gonna just put the provided bolts through those holes, mount the winch up. We're not doing a light bar on this guy. Otherwise, this would be the time to install a light bar as well. So install your winch, install your light bar, or just install it by itself. And yeah, so we'll do a time lapse here for you and show you how it's done. All right, guys, we have the winch all mounted up. We'll leave the fair lead till the end once we power it all up, or the flat link hook till the end. But we've got as far as we can on the bumper. Now it's time to cut up the 4runner. Now, in order to do this correctly, Cali Raised recommends that you take the whole front bumper off. I've seen some people do it on. We're gonna follow their steps and take this entire bumper off here in order to do it correctly. So we won't bore you with taking this guy off, but I'll kind of walk through time-lapse wise and explain the pieces that you need to take off to get this whole front clip of the 4runner off. If you guys are new 4th gen Tacoma owners or 6th gen 4runner owners, you're gonna have to take these off a lot. So if you have a 5th gen and you're upgrading eventually, it's good practice. So we're not upgrading anytime soon, but maybe in the future. All right, for starters, we're gonna work on this top piece here, and all of these clips up top are actually just click out. Now, you have to be careful because they are easy to lose. So we're just gonna click all these guys out here. Just like that, we got the front piece off. Now, we've got 2 clips on top of this bumper, and then just below that, there are 4 more clips to remove. And you're gonna wanna use a pry tool to get up and under those so that you can get the clips out. Now, some of them might break. Just be careful with them. But we got 4 more we'll get out and we'll move on to the next step. Now I almost forgot, there's one 10mm bolt in the middle here, and if you have a newer 4runner, you're gonna have Toyota Safety Sense or things plugged in under here. This is that time that you would want to unplug that TSS sensor or any other wires that you may have hooked up, Raptor lights, stuff like that. All right guys, on the inside of your fender well there, or wheel well there, you're gonna have 3 bolts on each side that we are going to remove. And then on the bottom, you're gonna have 3 on this right side here, 2 in the middle, and 2 on the other side to take off in order to get this bumper off. All right, we got the 5th gen 4runner bumper off. Now I'll tell you, I was pretty hesitant to taking that guy off because it looked like quite a big job. I mean, it's a massive piece of plastic that you have to get off, a lot of clips and stuff like that. But overall, it probably took me 5-10 minutes to do that, and I was filming as well, so it'll probably take you just around there. And yeah, so it allowed us to get to all of this stuff that we need to get off. We need to get off this crash bar here, and it gave us a flat space to cut up the 4runner bumper so we can install that covert bumper in the middle there. So we're gonna show you guys what you need to do to get this guy off. We're gonna cut up that plastic on 4runner. I'm so excited. My wife's not excited that we're already cutting up her brand new car, but that's part of this lifestyle. I mean, we've cut up the Tacoma so much, and this is just a minuscule part of the start of cutting up the 4runner. I can't wait to show you guys what's coming on this guy, but let's get back to it. All right guys, we're gonna remove this crash bar here, and there's 4 14mm bolts, and we're also gonna remove this air dam on both sides, which is 1 clip, in order to get the bumper ready for the new stealth bumper we're installing. All right guys, moment of truth. Cutting up this bumper here. All right, so we've got the center area cut out for the new stealth bumper. I ended up cutting it further away, so I'm gonna come up and clean up each side so it's nice and straight and flush for the new stealth bumper. All right, now that we have the bumper all cut up, we're gonna reinstall it to the 4runner here. Make sure that you get those air dams out of the way, and we'll get it installed just like we uninstalled it. Well, now that we've got the bumper back on with the middle cut out, we are going to install the Cali Raised Stealth bumper. I have my lovely wife here to help me put the bolts in on the sides. So we're gonna time lapse it for you and then show you when we've got it all together. All right, we got the bumper on for the most part. Definitely recommend having a buddy, a wife, a neighbor help you out installing. We'll show you the final product once we get the Factor 55 hook on, but The last thing that you're gonna have to do is use these cross brackets that will go underneath the right side and the left side to connect your bumper together. The plastic bumper it is to the metal bumper. And super nice, Cali Raised actually wrote them as D for driver and P for passenger. So we're gonna bolt those up real quick, get the hook on, and show you guys the final product from Cali Raised. Also, before I forget, we installed these Cali Raised steps sliders on the 5th gen 4runner. Check out our Instagram for a funny reel that we made on these guys. Well, there you guys have it. We have our Cali Raised stealth bumper installed with our Warn Evo VR 10S, and we got the Factor 55 black hook on there. This thing turned out way better than I thought it was gonna look. Excited to get it lifted, get some bigger wheels and tires on it. We have tires in the garage right now, just waiting for lift and wheels on the way. But yeah, there's an install on the Cali Raised stealth bumper. Took us a couple hours, so definitely set some time aside, maybe have a buddy help you. And yeah, hopefully you guys liked that video. There's many more coming on the 4runner, and until next time, we'll be wandering.